Ready, Raul? Where's your phone? Oh.
Oh my God.
This is Telephone, the cool version.
Okay.
Hello, hello, baby, you called, I can't hear a thing. I have got no service in this club, you say.
What did you say? Are you breaking up on me? Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kinda busy. Kinda busy.
Why are you straight to this?
The way you flowing on my phone won't make me leave no faster. Put my coat on faster, leave my girls no faster. I should've left my phone at home cause this is a disaster. Cause I'm a collector, sorry I cannot answer. Nothing, I don't like you, I'm just at a party. And I'm sick and tired of my phone ringing. Sometimes I feel like I live in Grand Central Station. Tonight I'm not taking no calls cause I'll be dancing. Tonight I'm not taking no calls cause I'll be dancing. Okay. That's right.
You wish you were as cool as us.